One of the most essential parts of prospecting is connecting your email account. We're going to go through here and we're going to add Google Workspace. And the overview of this process is you should be an admin on the Google Workspace that you are trying to configure for prospecting. If you're not the admin, you'll have to send this information to an internal admin for them to add this application for this OAuth ID. So I'm going to click copy, and then I'm going to click here to log into Google Admin. I'm going to configure a new app. We're going to search. It's found Nureply. I'm going to set the app as trusted. Click finish. And then I'm going to connect my Google account. From here, I select the correct Google account. I say allow, and it's configured. I'm going to set my sending limit per day to 30. I'm not ready to put in a custom tracking domain. And if I wanted to, I can add an account tag. An account tag could be some way that you can use to group these together. It could either be a project, a domain name, or any other way that you would like to tag or connect your prospecting accounts. In the next step, we then click connect the account. I'm going to go through and test deliverability. Everything passes, which means that I can configure it and add it to the warm-up pool. And warm-up is configured successfully. I've got it set to start sending 5 emails a day, and then it's going to take about 7 days to reach the 30 messages per day desired volume. In here, I've set up my sending limits, and you can also configure your signature. The account is configured. It currently has no warm-up volume. The receiving status, the sending status are all configured correctly, and all of my details are set up and working.